Minasan konnichiwa, Isa desu, yoroshiku onegaishimasu. So for today, I bring you another 3 Japanese words. First Japanese word, jonetsu. 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 This means passion or enthusiasm, or in Tagalog, sidhi, sigasig, at dedikasyon. Use in a sample sentence, kono jonetsu o teba na shimasen. In English, I won't let this passion go away. In Tagalog, patuloy akong babangon para sa aking dedikasyon. Second Japanese word, tomodachi. 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 This means friend or kaibigan in Tagalog. Use in a sample sentence, tomodachi ni naritai desu. I want to be your friend. Gusto kitang maging kaibigan. Third Japanese word, eiga. 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 This means movie in English or pelikula in Tagalog. Use in a sample sentence, suki na eiga wa koizora to kimi ni todoke desu. My favorite Japanese movies are Sky of Love and Reaching You. Ang mga paborito kong pelikula ng mga Hapon ay Koizora o Langit ng Pag-ibig at Kimi ni Todoke o Maabot Sana Kita. Bye! Sorejamata! Isa deshita!